The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for south-central Sedgwick County in southern Kansas until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm with a confirmed funnel cloud tornado was located over Derby, moving west at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Derby, Hayesville, Schult and Clearwater. Take cover now. A tornado is currently on the ground. Do not wait until the last second to hear the tornado, it may be too late. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch is currently in effect for southwestern Sedgwick County and southeastern Sedgwick County in Kansas until 12 p.m. Central Standard Time.